We've all seen in the last bull market Binance Coin, BNB, FTX, FTT, KuCoins, KCS exploding in price. In this video, I'm going to talk about a project with a very high growth and low risk potential, CryptoCom, one of the biggest exchanges today, and its token Cronos. I will talk about what is Cronos, how does it work, what is it used for, and why it could become the biggest exchange token ever. You probably heard about CryptoCom because of their very aggressive marketing campaigns. You can find them everywhere, on newspaper, stadiums, arenas, on TV, on different websites, sport teams, UFC, on social media, especially Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. So let's deep dive into everything that you need to know about this company and its token. Cronos is a native token of CryptoCom, all-in-one cryptocurrency platform and the Crypto.org chain. CryptoCom, a payment, trading and financial services company with a mission to make crypto more accessible to public, was created in June 2016 and it was formerly known as Monaco. The CRO token, originally created as an ERC20 token, rebranded from its original MCO moniker in 2018, reflecting Monaco's name, changed to Crypto.com. It is now the native token of stand-alone Crypto.org chain since March 2021. The token underwent another rebrand in February 2022 to its current Cronos name, to reflect the transition of the growing Cronos ecosystem of Web3, NFT and metaverse solutions being built on top of this blockchain. The CryptoCom community created the Crypto.org chain to build a network of cryptocurrency projects, particularly in DeFi, decentralized finance, and develop merchants' ability to accept crypto as a form of payment. As a native token of Crypto.org chain and Cronos, CRO is used to facilitate the creation of blockchain solutions on its platform and to maintain the security of its network through staking. From its early days, CryptoCom has used CRO as a token that gives its users access to special rewards and discounts offering through its flagship credit card products. As CryptoCom grew into an ecosystem of crypto solutions, CRO also added benefits such as lower trading fees, higher lending rewards, and more. With its transition into being the main token of Crypto.org chain and Cronos blockchains, CRO started being used as the main payment method for transactions on this blockchain, while retaining its lineup of uses within the CryptoCom system. When talking about crypto team behind the CryptoCom, some famous names such as Bobby Bao and Rafael Melo are included in founding and developing this project. Also, in the executive team, there are Chris Marzalek and Gary Orr. Why is Cronos and CryptoCom different from Ethereum and other famous cryptocurrencies? Ethereum and CryptoCom have one similarity. They are both designed with a native token that supports many functions through its environment. However, that's where the similarities end and the differences begin. First, CryptoCom is a company that designed its own closed-source blockchain for the purpose of offering several decentralized financial services through one provider and platform. Ethereum is intended to be built upon by anyone and is open source, allowing anyone to view the programming, suggest changes, or create their own project. Second, CryptoCom purpose is different than Ethereum's because it's a company providing financial services. In this aspect, it is centralizing a concept that by design was supposed to be decentralized. Ethereum, the global virtual machine, is fully decentralized. The Crypto.org blockchain and its supporting Cronos chain run on the Ethereum virtual machine. Third thing is that CryptoCom services provide convenience for cryptocurrency fans and users who want to have all their digital transactions and assets in one place. While this is centralized, it is not inherently a bad thing. Not everyone is comfortable using different exchanges to convert their cryptocurrency or wants to have several different wallets and needs to move assets back and forth. CryptoCom provides nearly everything an average person needs to become involved in cryptocurrency and decentralized finance. Even though it is a great exchange, there are two reasons why we don't use CryptoCom exchange. First reason is that CryptoCom has higher fees than Binance and Coinbase unless you hold and use Cronos. CryptoCom users with a significant holding of Cronos currency can get discounts on their trading fees. Second reason we don't use this exchange is poor customer support. Customer complaints mention slow and low-quality customer support responses. CryptoCom earns mediocre customer reviews overall, and it's rated 2.2 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot.
Some of the latest news is that Cronos received license as a payment institution in Brazil. The license allowed the company to continue offering regulated fiat wallet services in the country, where the CryptoCom Visa card has been available since 2021. Great news is also that CryptoCom released Proof of Reserves. Providing audited proof of reserves is an important step for the entire industry to increase transparency and begin the process of restoring trust, said Chris, CEO of CryptoCom. CryptoCom is fully committed to providing customers around the world a safe, secure, and compliant means of engaging with digital currencies.
With more than 50 plus million transactions successfully completed, 30 plus dApps, close to million users, they are starting a new chapter. The new roadmap could be a catalyst to attract new investors and whales in investing in this project.
If we take a look at coinmarketcap.com, we can find different information about Cronos. Cronos is ranked 28 on coinmarketcap.com based on market capitalization. Current price is $0.06095 and market cap is around $1.5 billion, which makes Cronos one of the mid-cap cryptocurrency.
The total supply of CRO is limited to 30 billion coins, following 70 billion CRO burned in 2021, all of which were created when the blockchain went live, what is making it a non-minable cryptocurrency. All-time high was at the November 24th, 2021, 10 months ago, when the price was $0.96. And from that time, current price is discounted
by 93%.
If you go to our website crypto.com/en/chain, you can find a lot of more information about this token and their project.
If we take a look at charts and technical analysis, we could see Cronos making lower lows and lower highs and now consolidating for a longer period. I always start with the worst case scenario and possibility for downside and buying more tokens. In my opinion, fears and rumors can put Cronos a little more to the downside, but right now, with all the good work they've been doing, there are no needs to be worried. There are a lot of strong support levels in case of falling. CRO USDT is showing a high volume breakout these days after a short-term higher low. This breakout can lead to additional growth. We are seeing an easy target for 46% and up to 75% in the short mid-term if you are trading. You can find the exact numbers mapped on this chart. If we look for a long-term perspective and weekly charts, investing in Cronos, we can expect at least $2 to $3 for the next bull run. CRO USDT will go straight bull at one point. Fibonacci time zones tell us that the beginning of 23 could be amazing.
If you would like to learn more about cryptocurrency trading and investing, we wrote the free ebook that you can find in the description of this video. What is your opinion about Cronos and CryptoCom, and when is the right time to invest? please write in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in some of the next videos.